Hey guys, how's everybody doing? Hey, I want to walk through for the Forex group what our trade, our trade this morning we were doing in the real-time alerts room. And this is the stuff that we're going to be doing in the full access trading team, right? That's going to be launching really um, later this week, but next week for sure. So let's go through the process, right? When we're day trading, which we call day trade, micro, near term, it's all the same thing. So this morning, all right, this is pound versus the yen. All right, so I'm always trying to start my trades, like I talk about, is taking chunks of time out of the 30-minute chart. So you want our day trades to be, we want to do it with the trend, but we're looking for this duration of the cycle, okay? I think we might be starting another one right now. It's afternoon trading, it's pretty late in the day, so there's really zero energy. But this was earlier in the day, guys, so we came in, and the market to me was pretty sideways. Technically, you could see that on the 15-minute. One of the quickest ways to see the trend is just look at the 8-period moving average on the 15-minute. And if you just look at the direction of the 8, that's going to tell you where the trend is near term. And that was pretty much sideways. So that's okay. I was just aware that we're sideways, but I like the fact that the 30-minute cycle had already rolled over. Okay, so I immediately came in. I missed the turn. I was a little bit late just based on when I sat down at my desk. But nonetheless, I felt there was enough time here. The cycle had just crossed, so maybe that we see this amount of time go by and a trade lower. And that's exactly what took place. So we start the trade there in the 30-minute. You go to the 15-minute. On the 15 minutes, the same thing. I'm checking the cycles. Ideally, when you have the 30-minute and the 15-minute all going the same way, that's good. So at this particular point in time, the cycle was kind of midway. It was about %D around 44. It then did cross. However, I was sticking with the 30-minute, so we ended up selling, even though the 15-minute cycled back up. We did sell into that rally, which allowed us to sell the top pretty much. And then when the cycle crossed again, that's when you got your move lower. So you can see our trades here, 18 pips, 23 pips. So we're pretty frequent when we trade. We get in and out, multiple entries, multiple exits, right? And here, guys, here's the 5 minutes. So this is this morning. First entry is here. The 5-minute, I have the bands on here, so there's a little bit more to see here in the top left of the chart. The point being is that this is our first sale up here, 2660 or so. All right, you can see how when the 5 minutes cycled up, we sold more. Okay, picked off the high, and then we were recovering. The next bounce, the next rally, we sold, covered new lows. All right, and then we were flat basically here. And you can see this on the 1 minute. I think there's a 1 minute on here. I don't have a 1 minute chart up on here. So anyway, guys, that was a good trade. Just showing you what you can do on this type of move. We didn't go that far, right? 26. The high was 26.75 of the move. We covered into the lows down here, 26.28. So 45 pips, not even 50 pips. But honest, I wanted to show you on a smaller account, this is what you can do. I mean, if you're just starting out or you have a smaller FX account, the nice thing about Forex, if you're day trading, one, the pips are small, which is the commissions is not that bad. You can be in and out a lot. You don't have the U.S. day trade rules where you need to have 25,000 in an account, and obviously the leverage is great. So this is the types of returns. Is one example of what you can do. If you're one of our traders, $32,000 account, just trading here today, what we did, all these moves, 400 bucks. You do that every day, this account doubles pretty quickly. All right, so for those of you that are new or you want, we were making these these calls in our real-time alert room, it's $150 a month. So I just showed you that one morning of trading more than pays for that. But you also get all our swing trades on gold, oil, equity markets, the bond market. You know, I traded U.S. Treasuries every day, all day for almost 15 years. So I mean, that's all our real-time alerts for $150. We had a big day today, and it's kind of a no-brainer, guys. So if you want to sign up, just visit jenkinsrm.com. All right, and I'll do another video here on the rest of the global macro markets.